The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. Sliced across the grain and velveted with bicarbonate of soda and flour, the beef becomes impossibly tender. Flash fried for mere seconds, it is finished in a glossy oyster sauce gravy with ginger, carrot, and a splash of wine. The result is a melt-in-the-mouth stir-fry balancing deep savory richness with fresh fragrance, ready in just 12 minutes. For the beef BS fillet steak, 300 g, as desired. Bicarbonate of soda, 1/4 teaspoon, as desired. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Sugar, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Tapioca flour, 1 tablespoon, as desired. Pepper, a good shake, as desired. Water, 2 tablespoons, added gradually while kneading, as desired. Cooking oil, 1/2 tablespoon, as desired. For the oyster sauce gravy, water, 5 tablespoons, as desired. Salt, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Sugar, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon, as desired. Sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon, as desired. Tapioca flour, 1/2 tablespoon, as desired. Oyster sauce, 2 teaspoons, as desired. Pepper, a good shake, as desired. For the stir-fry. Ginger, 1 cm knob, as desired. Spring onion, 1, as desired. Carrot, 1 small, as desired. Rice wine, 1/2 tablespoon, as desired. Cooking oil, 3 cups, for deep frying plus a little for frying the aromatics, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Slice and marinate the beef. Clean the fillet steak and slice it very thinly across the grain. Place the slices in a bowl and season with the bicarbonate of soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 tablespoon tapioca flour, and a good shake of pepper. Knead the beef thoroughly with your hands, gradually adding 2 tablespoons of water so the marinade is worked evenly into the meat. Lastly, knead in 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil. This seals the surface and keeps the slices from sticking together. Allow the meat to marinate for 30 minutes. 2. Prepare the ginger, spring onion, and carrot. Clean and slice the ginger thinly. Cut the spring onion into 4 cm lengths, using both the white and green parts. Peel the small carrot and slice it into thin 0.25 cm rounds, or cut it into fancy shapes if you prefer a more decorative finish. 3. Mix the oyster sauce gravy. In a small bowl, combine the remaining water, salt, sugar, light soy sauce, sesame oil, and tapioca flour together with the oyster sauce and a good shake of pepper. Stir until the tapioca flour is fully dissolved and no lumps remain. Set the gravy aside, giving it another stir just before use. Cooking steps. 4. Deep fry the beef. Briefly, heat 3 cups of cooking oil in a wok or deep pan. When the oil is very hot, put in the seasoned beef and immediately remove the pan from the heat. The residual heat is enough to cook the thin slices. Fry the beef for about half a minute, then remove it from the pan with a slotted spoon. Drain well on paper towels. 5. Fry the ginger and carrot. Pour off all but 1/2 tablespoon of the cooking oil from the pan. Return the pan to the heat and fry the ginger slices and carrot, stirring until fragrant and just softened. 6. Combine with the gravy and finish. Add the drained beef and the well-mixed oyster sauce gravy to the pan. As soon as the gravy comes to a boil and thickens into a glossy coating, add the spring onion lengths and the rice wine. Toss everything together, season to taste, and serve immediately over steamed white rice.